Good afternoon, I'm Kirsten Neese. Today I'm out here at Chickahominy Falls in the Farmstead in the heart of Chickahominy Falls with Ina Hill. She's our sales manager out here. We're going to be taking a little stroll through the community and kind of talking about what the Farmstead's all about, what we offer, and taking a look at some of the finished homes from the exterior, and then going through and showing you what's still available and some other things. So Ina, welcome. Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you for having me, yes.
So right here, we're kind of in the middle of 4 buildings. These all have recently closed, or tell me a little bit about these right
Yes.
here.
Well, the Farmstead community is one of the sections of the greater Chickahominy Falls, and this is a condominium villa style homes. So altogether we do have 64 homes, and these 4 buildings that you're looking at right now, these are our very first residents. We started closing sometimes in May. So in these first 2 buildings, people have moved in maybe a couple of months. And then in these 2 buildings, we have the other 8 people moving in but in August. So we actually try to move anything between 8 to 10 families in 1 month.
Nice. So, which means then you've pre-sold a lot of these?
Yes, pretty much everything that is up vertical is already sold.
Well, let's start walking down the street a little bit here. So how many homes are here in the Farmstead?
The Farmstead actually has 64 homes altogether, but out of 64, we already sold about 53 actually, because I only have 3 buildings left to sell.
Okay.
And each building has on 4 units.
All right. Great. With the exception of just a couple of buildings.
Just a couple of buildings that have 2,
yeah.
Yes.
But each building, so let's talk about that. Each building has 4 units. So this is like a shared driveway
Yes.
for 2 homes in one building and 2 homes in the other building.
Right. So yeah, I mean, as you can see, we chose really beautiful colors to distinguish them, but they do have shared driveway, and in the middle we have a little bump out so they can, back out. But everybody actually enjoys it. Everybody has their own private patios, so they can enjoy sitting outside.
And then, Kara, let's show over here and walk down a little bit further. Everybody has a 2-car garage.
That is right. I mean, all of our garages are finished. They look beautiful, and they all are 2-car garages. So the homes, actually, the way they're built, they separated by the 4 garages. So 2 in the front and 2 in the back. And the way we build them, we actually frame them separately, so you do have a lot of insulation and noise barriers between the buildings, so in between the homes. So we have never ever had anybody complaining about noise.
So they have a common roof, but all of the wall structures are separate. They're
Absolutely.
like parallel wall systems where
Yes.
the 4 homes join.
Yes, and they also have, between them, they have a 2-hour firewalls as well.
Fantastic. And they range in size from...
At this moment, normally we have 3 different floor plans. Right now we only offer 2 floor plans. Actually 4 if you think about with the bonus rooms above the garage, the loft levels.
Okay.
But they range anything between 1,800 square feet to almost 2,500 square feet.
And they all have 2 bedrooms, 2 baths, and some flex space, or...
They do. They all mainly 2 bedrooms, 2 full bath, and they all have sunrooms or flex space. They also all come with the courtyards, which is the outdoor space.
Right, so that's like where you see the fencing. That's all private outdoor courtyard space.
That is correct.
And every home has that. And they range in size too, the courtyard spaces, depending on the floor plan.
It depends, yes. Like for example, the Ducal floor plan, it's my personal favorite. It has vaulted ceilings. It has gorgeously appointed kitchen. It has a bigger courtyard area because it is 2 bedroom and 2 full bath with the den. The Canterbury, which is also a very nice floor plan, it is a little bit bigger than the Ducal, but it does have not only a den, it also has a very big sunroom. So the courtyard would be just a little tiny bit smaller, but I wouldn't say it's really that.
But you get that beautiful sunroom and a flex den space, right?
Correct.
And then the other thing I do love about the Canterbury, that a second bedroom is an en-suite bathroom and closet, so it's almost like 2 master bedrooms.
It is, absolutely. all of my people that come in, prospects or customers who purchased it, they always surprised. It is truly 2 master bedrooms because that space is completely private.
Which is really nice. And they're separated like on other sides of the house.
Yes.
So right now you have 1 Canterbury available and 2
decals.
And so the decal we were talking about with the lofted ceiling, really, and a double-sided fireplace. Just
oh my God, that is gorgeous.
So we were talking about the decal when the concrete truck came through. So it has the vaulted ceiling, the double-sided fireplace.
Yes.
It's just that huge island.
The kitchen is beautiful. It has huge island. It has a window. So for people who enjoy having a big island and a window in the kitchen, that probably would be the one that they would choose. It also has a very long garage. It's 21 by 30 feet.
Oh, so a lot of extra space.
Lots of extra
the
space.
Handyman or
absolutely, for a workshop in the back. It has vaulted ceilings not only in the great room but also in the master. And it has huge windows that overlook your private patio. That is absolutely stunning. And it comes with a Roman shower, which is angled shower that does not have doors.
So 0 threshold, you just can walk right in. No closet or no shower to glass door. You just walk in.
That's right. That is right.
Like the old...
Very popular floor plan.
Yeah, absolutely.
Well, the Canterbury also has a lot of nice architectural things, like details. For example, all of them come with 10-foot ceilings rather than cathedral because it has 3 ceilings in the living space and also in the master space, also in the foyer. So I mean, those beautiful, lots of light. We have so many windows and those windows are so big.
Well, and it has a ton of storage too. You've got a really large laundry room in that plan. You have a powder room in the Canterbury. And it's sort of shaped like a wheel where you have the center of your living spaces, your kitchen, your living room and dining room in the middle of the house, and then everything kind of spokes off.
Yes, that is true. I mean, people are really surprised how much storage space in those homes are. I mean, they're not small homes. They're all one-level living, 18 to 1900 square feet, and with the loft level, 24 to 2500 square feet. But they're very well thought through. So architecturally, I don't think you could add or delete anything. The laundry rooms are so spacious. To be honest with you, I've seen smaller laundry rooms in $1 million homes.
Right.
And they have huge closets for storage or extra pantry perhaps.
That's fantastic. Well, so the other unique thing I wanted to talk about with the Farmstead is its location in the center and heart of Chickahominy Falls. Let's kind of come around the corner a little bit because today I think they're flying the trusses for the Farmhouse building, which is the clubhouse here at Chickahominy Falls, and they're putting the roofing system on, which is really special. And you can see some of the unique diagonal framing of that building, which is just like the barn where our sales office is. Same builder, same architect, but this is for the clubhouse. So we're really excited about that. And we'll stop here for a second, but tell us a little bit about or do you want me to talk a little bit more about the farmhouse?
Yeah, why don't you go ahead?
Okay, so the farmhouse is going to be the community, the center of the community here, and it overlooks the pond. And the great thing about all the residents here at the Farmstead is it's just right across the street. So they can walk right across the street here and get right to the fitness center or over to that silo bar and have cocktails with their friends and enjoy everything, and then just come home and no maintenance on their homes here, which is a unique thing at Chickahominy Falls. Not all of the neighborhoods, and that's really what is special, all of the neighborhoods have a unique style home. So the villas are here in the Farmstead. Some of the other residences, they own all their own property. Here it's a condo association.
That is
so
true. Yes.
Why don't you talk a little bit about that and then the maintenance?
Okay, the condo association basically, it's a little bit different home ownership in comparison to the home ownership that is standing on its own lawn. So because it has shared, anytime we have homes that are attached, so we actually, I think the best feature of it that we take care of everything that is on the exterior. For example, like the roof, the siding, the stone features, everything is taken care of because it is attached.
Right.
So also in the condo, you get everything on the outside. We take care of the lawn, of the landscaping, of the irrigation. We take care of the trash pickup, recycle pickup, as well as water and sewer is included, which is a great feature. People really love that feature. And also, of course, included the use of the public clubhouse and the swimming pool and the fitness center. So those actually, for a very low monthly fee, they get to use and enjoy all of these things.
Which is fantastic. So they own, the inside of their homes, and then they can have renter's insurance or something, not renter's insurance, but
it's a condo content policy. That's what they will need to have.
So it's a little different than owning your own home and having to insure the whole house. It's a little bit less.
It's a much less.
Yeah.
Yes. So yeah, it is very nice. It's lock and go basically. You can lock your home and leave for 3-4 months, and you have wonderful neighbors who will take care of your home, look after it. But you don't have to, because it's in there, and we take care of outside. Nobody will ever know that you're gone.
Well, this has been so great, Ina, and so great to chat with you and learn more about the farmstead and share it with all of our viewers. It's a busy day out here, so we're going to cut off, but thanks for joining us, and come see Ina at Chickahominy Falls and learn more firsthand from her about the farmstead.
Please hurry, we only have 11 homes left. Bye.